This is one of the most expensive streets in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Right here. This is Millionaire's Row. Every single person that has a house here is a millionaire. Easily. And about 3 streets that way is Acrisure Stadium, where the Pittsburgh Steelers play. And in about a month, on April 23rd, oh wait, there's one for sale. On April 23rd, they're going to have the NFL draft here in Pittsburgh. It's going to be a historic event. These streets will be filled with people. You bet all these parking spaces will be gone. It's really beautiful. When we get to the corner here, I'll show you this church. This church is called Calvary Church, and it is pretty amazing. On the midsummer day, a light comes through stained glass windows in just such a way. They have a tour, and it's really beautiful. But yeah, here's the church right here. This church has been here for a long, long time. And every hour on the hour, the church bells ring. So could you imagine living across the street from that? Every hour on the hour. But yeah, this is called Beach Avenue. And if you've got money, this is where you live. There are other affluent areas of Pittsburgh, but this is probably the most expensive street on the north side, easily. Check out these gargoyles. Is that cool or what? Love it. So, and then that way, there's a whole bunch of not so great housing. So it's weird. Pittsburgh's a very strange city. The rich people live right next to the poor people. Only a block or two away. See, you got 7-Eleven, McDonald's, and then right down there, past the McDonald's, is Acrisure Stadium. Right over that hill there. So, I hope this is an interesting video for those who are coming to see our fine city. And hopefully we'll be down here doing some videos on site, having some fun with the tourists come in to see Pittsburgh. In the meantime, everybody have a great day, and we'll see you when you get here. Take care.